Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about one of the famous writer of Odisha whose name is Fakimon Senapati, and also I will narrate some of the novels written by him. Okay, so Fakimon Senapati's birthplace is Baleshwar and the date of birth is 13 January 1843. Who was Fakimon Senapati? Fakimon Senapati, often referred to as Utkal Vyasakavi, was an Indian writer, poet, philosopher and social reformer. Senapati is regarded as the father of Odia nationalism and modern Odia literature. Why Fakimon Senapati is called as Vyasakavi? He had a humorous way of writing. Fakimon Senapati brought modernity into the literary works of Odia and contributed his knowledge and excellence to Odia literature. He received a name as Utkal Vyasakavi or Odisha's supreme poet. Odisha has contributed rich literature to India. Novels written by Fakimon: Chhaman Athagund, Revati, Galpaswalpa, Laghu Sanhita, Mamu, Prayashchita. Novels I have read: Chhaman Athagund and Revati. So I'm going to narrate about the two novels I have read. Also I watched in TV series. Chhaman Athagund. The novel is about the Jamindar Ramchandra Mangaraj of Kavinpur village. A weaver named Pagya used to stay in same village with his wife Saria. They owned a very fertile piece of land and 6 acres and half land in that village. Bhagya took some loan money uh, from Jamidar to build a temple in village with a loan bond mortgaging to Mangaraj his 6.5 acres land. The actual story starts when Mangaraj plots plan along with Champa, someone who is more than a servant, made in his house, to take over the property of the weaver Bhagya. Mangaraj has an eye on that property and on the cow of Bhagya. Champa convinces Bhagya's wife Sarya that she would bear a child only if she built a temple in the village. The Weaver family falls on Champa's plan and ends up losing everything to Mangaraj. Bhagya became mad after all this happened, and also Sarya died after suffering the mental pressure. Sarya's death case reported to police by village Chowkita. After investigations done by police, no evidence has proved Sarya's death because of him. Only for the theft case he got into jail. When Mangaraj was in jail, Champa, his servant, took the key of the locker and acquired all money and gold jewelries and ran to Cuttack with the help of barber servant Govind of Mangaraj. Govind killed Champa and wanted to keep himself safe from crushing Mahanadi river with all the things he stole with Champa. But due to heavy rainfall and high water level, both got drowned. The central theme of the novel is one of the karma and how karma seems to catch up with the evil folks. Another novel, Revati. Revati is one of the first and major modern Oriya work done by the great writer Fakimon Senapati. The story contains the themes like feminism, girl education, love and desire, superstition, etc. Story main theme moves around the protagonist girl Revati, who wants to study. Revati is a 10-year-old girl who wants to get education. According to society, girls must only learn to cook, singing version, participate in religious activity, etc. Sambandhu is the father of protagonist girl. His character contains the elements of modernism. His attitude and nature is different to the society. He believes that girls have also right to education, so he is in favor of his daughter's study and decided to send her to village girls' school. But on the next side, the grandmother and other pupils of neighbors were not agree on the Sambandhu's decision. Meanwhile, Basudeva Mahapatra enters in the village as a school teacher. Basu got his graduation degree from a school of Cuttack and was an orphan, so Sambandhu's wife treated him as his own child. In response, he also respects and cares the family and family members. He visits the house daily to teach Revati. The grandmother didn't like whatever was going on in the house, but never Basu never cares about her. A silent love started to develop between Revati and Basu, but they never share emotion with each other. The pupils of neighbors started talking about the relation of Revati and Basu. Tragedy takes place in the story when village affected by the disease called cholera. Sambandhu and his wife died one by one because of this effect of the disease. Sambandhu was the only person of the family who has all the responsibility, so now the family had been the orphan. The Jamindar overthrew the facilities given to the family, and anyone from the village was not ready to help the family because they believed that if they will help them, so then they will also be affected by the cholera. The last hope of the family was the Vasu. He helped the family on every step. The person who suffered most was Revati. She was passing through the sustainable pain of her parents' death. The on other side, her grandmother accused and told her that whatever happened, it was a result of her education or study. Sometime after, Basu, who was the last hope of family, also died due to the disease cholera. At the end, Revati also died, leaving her grandma alone. So, guys, these are the two very famous novels by Fakimon Senapati. One novel theme is how karma back to our life if we are doing something wrong with others. Also, we have to pay it later. And the next story about the modernism of Odisha culture, how a girl want to study, but due to some barriers in the society, people are not allowing girls to study. But this story has came up with some different concepts, like the girls also have the ability to study, or they can also be work with the same direction how the men works. So these are the very famous novels by Pokemon. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked the story. If you want to read more about these novels, please check some other sites in the Google. You can find the PDFs where the story narrates very clearly, and you can enjoy the novel. Thank you.